Today is Bhagavad Gita Jayanti, the sacred day when Sri Krishna shared the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita with Arjuna. Today, I learned something very beautiful from the Bhagavad Gita and I felt compelled to share it with all of you. It is called the Gita Panchamrit, 5 powerful verses selected by Chinmaya Mission that summarize the essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita. These 5 drops of nectar carry the power to uplift, guide and transform our lives. Here are the 5 verses. Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanah karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma palaheturbuhu ma te sangotsvakarmani yat karoshi yadasnasi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam ananyashchintayanto ma ye janah paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. May these 5 drops of nectar, the Gita Panchamrit, nourish our minds and lives on this sacred day. Please read the meanings of these 5 verses in the description box. Jai Shri Krishna.